The Mazda CX-50 is the most rugged SUV the company has ever built. Look at all the rocks and the dust. The CX-50 is tough. That's the idea, at least, behind this new crossover. Mazda hasn't built a vehicle with a raised suspension and body cladding before, but now it's catching on. This will be the 5th CX model, above the CX-5 and the CX-30. For the first time in a Mazda, the CX-50 has driving modes, as opposed to just one sport button. It's called Mazda Intelligent Drive Select, or MyDrive. It also has another Mazda first, a panoramic moonroof. Yeah, Mazda is a little behind the times, but not on styling. Never. Mazdas look great, inside and out. The body has a racier appearance that's more square and cut, and yet you'll notice this car is a Mazda from the wide grille, thin headlights, and quad taillights. The interior is typical Mazda, simplicity and elegance with excellent materials. We like the new stripe down the center of the front seats. What's not new is the powertrain. It's the same 6-speed automatic and 2.5-liter 4-cylinder from the CX-5 and CX-30, with or without a turbo. We're hankering for Mazda's inline 6 that will debut on 2 more SUVs, the CX-60 and the CX-80. That engine will pair with a mild hybrid system. Right now, there are no specs on the CX-50. Production starts in January 2022 as part of a joint venture between Mazda and Toyota. The CX-50 is built at the same plant as the Toyota Corolla Cross in Alabama, but Mazda says the CX-50 doesn't share any Toyota parts except for the upcoming hybrid. And likely, the CX-50 could replace the CX-5 in the years to come. Now it's time for you to tell us what you think about Mazda's growing lineup. Does the CX-50 push your buttons? Does it work? Does it compete in a crowded space? We'll share more about this new Mazda in the coming months, so stick around and subscribe for more vehicle news, reviews, and previews.